Want to chat with your clan members in Call of Duty but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps on how to chat with your clan members in Call of Duty. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the message icon which is above Loadout button. Then tap on Clan from the top of your screen. Now enter the text by clicking on the text box which is at the bottom of your screen. After that, tap on OK button. You can send some emoji by tapping on the emoji icon. Select the emoji of your choice. After that, tap on Send button. And that's how you can chat with your clan members in Call of Duty. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.